Yo, that was supposed to be there Friday, bro. Today. Bagal ng mga fucking
Ano, bro?
Yeah. Ako na ano ya, ako na bunker niya. I got your back. Hey boy, katabi kita, di ba? Sabi.
One guy going creek. One guy's going creek.
Hold up,
Meron doon sa may building nila, building.
Holy shit.
One in mid, one in
Watch.
mid.
Sige lang, sige
One in
lang.
mid.
Ano may going
I
creek?
was weak. One
Yeah, I
burst
saw
out.
him.
One in mid.
Help him,
okay,
help him, help him,
side.
help him. Help him, help him,
Side.
a flank.
No, he went bottom end. He's going bottom end.
One needed B, one needed. One on B. One mid bunker, one
Oh,
mid
one
bunker,
mid?
one mid bunker.
I'm flanking that guy, hang on.
Yeah, he's in their spawn right now. In their spawn alley. Nice, that's
Dead,
him.
dead, dead. Let's
Nice.
go, boys. Man, fuck, ako lang ang walang laging kills ang puta. Fucking shit.
Ano, wala akong mo.
Ang lupit ng host. Host. Bitch ass
Switching
host.
operation ready point.
Ano,
Ano yung XG miss
ABB.
MR, Royce?
I'm going bunker. I'm going bunker. Don't even pick bunker, okay?
Going up top.
You got the bomb.
Sige, push ko na B. Anybody stand?
Di ko yung stun, ah.
O, sige lang.
No, I don't have stun.
Yeah,
Nothing
that
B,
man.
nothing B, I'm dropping. As long
Oh.
as you watch my cut. Watch my cut. There you go.
Gotcha.
Bomb is armed.
Ano sa back.
HCXD available.
Nice, last 3.
I'm done.
I got your top, dude.
Hey boy,
I
wala
got
na
your
siguro
top.
dyan. Siguro nasa base lang.
I got
Come
your
on,
top.
window, boy.
I'm in a good position.
Wait, na, ano dre?
Meron.
Ayun.
Uy, one more. Sa likod ko, sa likod ko.
Dalawa.
One on ano.
Wala ba?
Can you see bomb? Can you see bomb?
Ayun na, ba?
Yeah, I can
Ano,
see
one
My
more.
bomb?
pushing, he's
Ayun,
pushing.
boy.
Rush.
Patay, patay. Last guy on bomb. Last guy on bomb. He was on bomb. He was on bomb. Right there.
No long range funny farm, huh? With the BMP.
Maintain your momentum in the next round.
Dude, pwede na ba yung ano? Pwede na ba yung tangin na yan? Hindi ko kasi magamit yung overkill class ko, man. Yun ang gamit ko sa mapang to eh.
Ba't hindi nyo tignan, man? What the fuck?
Oh, yun yung gamit.
Overkill
think
BMP,
so.
man. That's what I'm saying.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it's a ban.
Check
I don't
it.
think
so.
They took it out, man.
I'm about to.
Okay, Royce, gusto mo
I'm not gonna move, right? Hindi ako mag-move yan.
Yeah, I got mid. I'll call out.
Want me to get mid? Royce, I have RC. I can, ano. Oh, sige. I got
Hey,
you.
what guys
Mamaya
AFK on
na,
us, dude?
Sige. Kaya mo, ikaw lang dyan, ha? Nag-guardya ako si Bam.
I know.
Wala pa mid, dude. They might push bunker or rocks, dude.
Sige.
No one's
Check.
rocks right now.
Oh, one bunker. Two bunker.
Oh no, wala ako nakikita, man. Ah, paga.
Two bunker.
I got you help, bro.
Matras sila.
I got
Sige, hold niya na yan.
Yeah, one shot.
I got one pag nano.
Okay, I got your A
dito.
side. Sige lang. Royce, you got mid, ha? Royce, you got mid.
Man, I'm gonna go mid now.
Yan.
That one there's spawn.
I can pick up me, boy.
Nice, last two.
I got one bunker.
I got your flank, ha? Sige lang. Diyan lang kayo. Last
Last
guy.
guy.
Last guy, ano? Bunker.
Out of
Diba?
time.
Napatay nyo?
Don't hold back.
I don't know. I'm in their spawn, though.
Dalawa yung bunker, eh.
I
Ayun.
know.
Let's go.
Good
Fair
job,
Bunker.
CDP. Do it again and let's go home.
Wala naman nakasabi di. Ah, World League to eh. Tanga na.
Nice. Whoa. Oh, ano? Damn.
Pwede.
I can't call. How's this bunker, dude?
Operation ready point.
Huh?
How's that a bunker?
Bunker, yun? I don't know.
Ano dapat yun,
Cave,
man?
man. That's cave.
Cave ang tawag yun, man.
Exactly.
Nakalito si Royce.
When fuck it, man.
I called that cave, dude. I don't
Wait,
fucking
Cave
know
naman
what you guys
talaga
do.
dapat eh.
Ano ako? One on B.
Exactly.
Mid, one. Yeah.
I'm gonna push it B. Fuck it. I got psychosis B.
Go.
B
Oh
clear.
my god.
B clear.
Lingon na ako.
B clear na.
Hindi lang ako
One in
lumingon.
ano. I'm coming. I need backup. I'm planting. D-boy, watch the cut. Watch the cut.
Right.
Passing cut.
Nice.
Up,
Behind
up.
you.
Let's go,
Good
boys.
job, CDP. Do it again and let's
Dead
go
end.
home.
Lakas ng range ko.
Lakas nga
I
eh.
can't use that, dude.
Lakas ng recoil, dude.
I'm done.
Switching
I'm
sides.
done using that
Iba na,
fucking
iba na
gun.
talaga best friend.
Yeah. Ibang-iba na best for dude.
Close range, hindi pa rin po pwede. Hindi mananalo ang BMP dyan, man.
Protect the objective.
Royce, one time. I got your mid.
Friendly HCXD
I have RC.
inbound.
Oh shit.
Oh, one mid. Wait, one mid.
Two rocks, three rocks.
One mid, ah.
I'm a push
Three rocks,
bunker.
one bedroom, nice. One
Ayun,
shot,
nasa
left
bangka na.
side.
Push na,
Nice,
push
that's
na,
him.
last
Calm
game.
down, Rox. Oh, Rox. Bedroom, ball. Going down.
I'm upstairs.
Boy, nandiyan na yan, boy. He took bomb. Ayun na, boy pa rin yung bomb. Right there, boy. Boy pa yung bomb yan.
Tapos siya, ayun, oh.
He might have been thing. Yung sa may wall run or something.
In our spawn, bro.
Yeah, he wall run. That's what it is. He wall run.
No, he went mid. He went back our spawn.
No,
spawned our
he
spawn.
can't. Hindi siya pwedeng
In
pumunta
our
mid eh.
B-bomb.
Ayun,
Okay, here.
Patay na.
Maintain your momentum in the next round.
pwede din. Uy. Aimbot pa rin.
So lang
Hindi,
na,
kama.
nasasanay na ako dito.
Ano mas malakas? BMP
Switching
o Kuga?
operation ready point.
BMP,
I
ah.
say VMP.
Oh.
I say
Kuda,
VMP.
to be honest, Kuda mas malakas pero mas mabagal ang fire rate.
Exactly.
Di ba may-melt tayo sa BMP kung
acquired.
Kuda tayo?
Exactly.
I say VMP.
Violet. Uy, 1B.
Nade.
Dead.
Aga,
3v3,
nade, bro.
3v3.
Oh my god, tinignan ko lang
Arawan,
kalaban.
Uy, 2v2 ah.
Tubi to, boy.
Ay mas, saan pumatay
Hihiin
sa'yo?
na ako eh. Push back. Hit diner. Stable.
Lois, dami
Ano,
ka.
Pog?
Tara. Taas tayo, Lois. Taas.
Corner.
Wala.
Watch that right corner if you guys gonna push it.
Lois, let's go. Ako na. Sige. Got that?
Wala.
Ranta ako sa ilalim. Lois, gusto mo?
Sige, bahala ka.
Let me clear this out.
Corner. Yeah, there you go. Good shit.
Nice.
Grabe man.
Approaching PONR.
Lois, grabe man.
Finish this.
Boy, alam niyo, nasa A, boy. Nasa A na. If I was you, go down, actually. Go down with them.
Oh, heglas na tayo dito.
Dart drone on standby.
Lay down, Jer. Lay down ka dyan, Pog. Ayan o, Royce. Or pre-aim it.
Hindi na makapasok. Let me check bomb. Nothing else.
Alright.
I don't know.
Yeah, paano ang position mo?
Ang klaseng
pag-
position yun, boy. What the fuck?
What's wrong?
You gotta stand up, man.
Ayun na, nasa
Hindi,
He's bed. Down, touch.
Patay.
Pag bumaba yung from taas, makikita ko. Eh, pag tumaano siya dito, I'm pretty sure na hindi naman niya ako makikita o agad dun eh. Feel me, Kurt?
I don't know, boy. Whatever, man. Dude, it's all good.
You smell me? You smell me though? You smell me? Alright.
I don't know. You play like you're playing in 8s or public match, boy. Now, that's not how you think, man. Go ahead, man.
Let me do me,
Oh,
man. Let me do
nigga
me.
style.
Yeah, but you,
Sometimes-
there you go,
sometimes
you
yung mga
good.
ganun, ano pa nga eh, magaganda pa nga yung
Oo,
ganun.
yung
Man, just
awkward.
Yeah.
I believe that.
fuck a dick.
Awkward play.